about a baker that I have a crush on. She lives in the Midwest in the USA. Well, Tuesday night I'm far away, feeling distance, meditating, laying low. 20-something days remain until I see that lady once again. I'm holding on to memories like the specialty she baked for me. I'm developing a taste for yesterdays. Plain and simple, I refuse to make her absence mean I lose. Instead, I use this time for recreation. You see, I'm half here, and I'm half there. Yes, I'm half away around the world. Stretched out in Savasana, my feet up and I am working on my breath control. Floating over my own body, I know the warm and fuzzies are taking over. Feeling a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit warm, a little bit cold, a little bit fast, a little bit slow, a little bit yes, a little bit no. I'm a little bit hard, a little bit soft. I wanna keep going, but I wanna get off. I'd rather be in places where her face is. You see, I'm half here, and I'm half there. I'm half away around the world. I'm Beijing and I am Indonesia. I'm Singapore and also Korea, Bangkok, Thailand and Taipei. I'm Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. From the Midwest through Chicago, flying business, arigato, through Narita, on the beat. I'm grateful for my window seat. Traveling keeps hearts beating. Unraveling, I fall sleeping. You will see me in the dream we're both in. I'm Virginia and she's Michigan.